Stock Rock is Stunning, and they do these interesting little talks on dry fasting at the beach. And today we're going to talk weight control. You know, you've seen 1,000 videos at this point about how insulin does this, insulin does that, or pancreas is this, and when this condition and so forth and so on, and this pill and that pill and Ozempic and all this crap, when all you really need to do is just understand your body better. For instance, if you want to lose weight, you got to be able to exercise in some fashion that helps you lose subcutaneous fat. The more dangerous one is visceral fat, however. This is the fat that hardens up around our organs, ends up being an endocrine gland because it excretes so much inflammatory cytokines that it's actually dangerous for us over time. I don't want you to look like this. You know, I want to trim that up, and here's how to do it. So let's cut the crap, okay? Because the fact is, your body has the time of day that is really easy to get rid of fat. You know, I'm a Hippocratic doctor, a follower of Asclepius, the idea that people have the ability to not have to die if they're smart about it, and to have extended lifespan and all that good stuff. And that's basically the thrust of my work, essentially. But here's the way this works. If you eat and finish eating around 6 to 7 p.m., by the time you go to bed at 8 or 9, 10, you've just about digested everything, which means the insulin response is finally coming off a peak and going down to a low period. And then all night long, your body's living off of the sugar stored in the liver and all that kind of good stuff. In the morning, you have a very low level of insulin. Insulin puts sugars into fats to make triglycerides. So you don't have that response working. Now, the most amazing thing is this thing about walking. Everybody hears about walking and why walking is this and that, and you do these many steps and so forth. Here's why you want to walk. Because contracting muscle tissue causes GLUT4 to be released, which then starts scavenging as much sugar as it can out of the bloodstream. Trust me, when you wake up, there's still plenty of sugar in your bloodstream. So that lowers the insulin even lower because you're sucking up all the sugar in this GLUT4 compound, feeding it into the muscles without having to deal with insulin. Insulin goes way down. Then, here's the cool thing about this. If you walk for, let's say, 5,000 steps in the morning, but you drink a cup of black coffee and a tab or pill of green tea extract, you will cut visceral fat. Because here's what happens. Let's say you've stopped digestion and you've processed everything by 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock if you eat earlier. At 9 a.m. when you get up, you have very low insulin. That's 12 hours later. At 14 hours later, your body would normally start screaming for sugars. So what you do is you get up in the morning, you do a 5,000 step walk with these two stimulants, no calories, 0 calorie stimulants, to cause thermogenesis. And what's going to happen is this. When you start a 5,000 step walk and you get to about 1,000 steps, you're going to start sweating. And that sweat is indication that you're cutting your visceral fat, because visceral fat is thermogenic. And the green tea extract helps the fat become thermogenic. So at that point, you're cutting visceral fat. You're already cutting subcutaneous fat, as long as you don't walk faster than what I'm doing here, just a normal walk. That's all it takes. Anything above that stimulates other reactions, in particular increases in cortisol and so forth, because of the stress of having to walk faster and that sort of thing. So you don't do that. Don't do stress. And see what happens. I think you'll lose the fat and the visceral fat. Now, the reason we dry fast is because during a dry fast, all those hours get completed in the first day, okay? So you're in the visceral fat burn zone. And your growth hormone goes way, way up. And when it does, it just cuts as much glycerol and free fatty acids from the triglycerides and fat cells as it can, because it's feeding your blood glucose and your brain glucose, because they both require glucose to be alive. That's one of the reasons you go into this growth hormone stimulation, because it's trying to save muscle, like your heart muscle, and find a source of fuel that doesn't involve grinding up those muscles. So that's how that works. But during that time period, in the morning, with those stimulants, you can get rid of subcutaneous fat and a little bit of visceral fat. If you really want to attack the visceral fat, just do a dry fast. By day 3 and 4, you're tearing into it. It's great. In fact, dry fasting will probably cut down 22 to 66% of your visceral fat during a 7-day or longer. But I only subscribe to a 7-day. You don't need longer. But you do need to stop your eating of the foods that cause you fat. So that's where this book comes in, the Phoenix Protocol, to kill your parasites and learn how to do it right and correct and safely. And Neogenesis, that talks about how to lose weight this way and all the details about that I'm not going to bore you with for another half an hour. But just so you have those in your library to understand how to do this, how to lose the weight, how to cut out the loudness, and just say, okay, fine, I don't need to watch these videos. I can share this one from Dr. Dunning. And that's kind of the message today. If you want to lose weight, walk in the morning with coffee and green tea. And then live your day. Control your calories, because that will cause fat deposition. But you probably will control your calories if you've dry fasted and you don't have the parasites telling you to eat stuff you really don't need to eat. Anyway, it's a wonderful life we have here in this wonderful body. I'm here to show you how to treat it better and how to live here longer. That's my job. I like my job. Welcome to my office. This is where I hold my consultations. Anyway, I love you guys. Please hit the like button, gets these things around. I don't monetize these things. So hit the like button, subscribe if this is your first time. Send your friends over to the 3-pack, How to Dry Fast. It really explains it pretty well. And I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.
Anyway, so it looks like I got here a little late to the party. The moon is starting to come up over there a little bit. So it's a gibbous moon. Anyway, I'll try again. Maybe earlier next time.